Okay, yes, stopped by rain. So November, I did not do too much shopping. I did pick up a few things, I'll show you. Black car, weird color. Okay, so I did buy some movies, not that many. Because I have a budget in check, I only spent about 20 bucks on movies, maybe 25 bucks. After taxes and Unforgiven, I took a chance. I don't know if I have it with the cover. Double. So I'll have to check the pricing on that. Dusk Till Dawn. Part 3. Not for sale. They sold it. So I'll check the pricing on that. Some kind of an odd sticker, I guess. Dusk Till Dawn. I don't know if I have the series. I have to check. So I picked it up. I took a chance on this as well. Hunted. I don't know if it's a movie or a show, but and the others I picked up. Independence Day, I took a chance on. Old movies, they don't sound familiar. Then I'll pick them up. They're all about 5 bucks each. So. And Star Trek I don't have too many. That's awesome, fine. Still got original sticker. Still sealed, so I'll do an unboxing for that. I have one other like that, and I'm glad I picked this up. It's also like 4 or 5 bucks. So I took a chance on these ones, so I'll have to check if I have them. Let's take a close look. Because I haven't been collecting movies now in over 2 years, so that's why so many doubles have accumulated from before. My November find, I guess. You want the cover upside down if you want the title. But with the paper bag, it sounds good. I don't remember seeing this in my collection. So I could not do too much shopping this week yet because of the rain. I would have liked to buy some pop. When you buy these old movies, they have sometimes a censor. And when you go to a local shop, they turn on this censor system. Has that ever happened to you? Let me know while you use the movies. Either I have to change the case, the sticker doesn't want to come off. So I'll check all the prices online and see how much they're going for. So I know some of them can be expensive, the old movies, 10 bucks, 15 bucks. Independence Day bonus one. It's got bonus stuff. Interesting. 5 bucks, pick it up, see how much it costs online. Probably 30 bucks online, 20 bucks plus shipping. So online you're always paying shipping for heavy boxes. Probably 5 bucks in shipping, 10 bucks in shipping. I could take that out. Oh, don't want to drop it. I don't remember watching. I remember watching it, but I don't remember seeing it in my collection. I picked it up, took a chance on it. I don't have it. It wasn't on my list, but I did not knock anything off the list. But I did find some interesting movies. Like drive-in, I'm pretty sure it's like about 10 bucks, 15 bucks. I don't know why it's this way, but this way you don't have the title. And some haunted one. I don't know if there's a Japanese haunted one or regular English one. It was there. 16 ghost stories. 16 stories. Interesting. Cold in the grave. Landscape of lost dreams. Personal demons. Interesting. Mirror, mirror. Normally buy one or two online this month. Not a whole lot in my budget. Nothing much till next year. Can't do anything bigger till a couple months from now. So here, watching my stuff. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out. I'll always add something here and there. Online, if I buy stuff online, I'll have to wait probably at least 2-3 weeks for it to come. You'll see some stuff that I buy from online as well. So I'll probably have to buy 2 or 3 things online to knock it off my list. I did not find anything locally that I could buy more. So about 20 bucks, 25 bucks. Not a bad find. I have to check if I have this. If I have it, then kind of screwed because I waste my money. But I don't remember seeing the title in my collection either, so I picked them up. So I'll do an unboxing of this after, because it's still sealed, brand new. So I'll check the pricing online for the double, how much they want for shipping. Usually they want quite a lot on the shipping for heavier sets. And that's it for the month. Thanks for watching my DVD find. Blu-ray, I'm not going to be doing Blu-ray for a while unless something comes up, but it doesn't interest me too much, Blu-ray. That'll probably happen in another year. Now is my chance to get caught up with movies, and that's what I'm doing. I'm pretty awesome. Special edition probably will cost more online than the average single one. Yeah, pretty cool. Thanks for watching.